In all systems, we use technology wherever it enhances the quality of our work. Construction accounting software keeps you organized in managing construction projects. Our construction accounting system helps you take control of our construction projects with crystal clear visibility in every step of the way. For today's session, I'll show you an overview of how Construction Accounting Enterprise Edition system works. I will click first the icon. As you can see, we have here the user login UI. We will input username admin as well as the password admin. Click login. The message appears showing the date and time to verify if the computer's clock is up to date. Click OK, and we will be now routed to our Construction Accounting Enterprise Edition. And now, we have here the menus. We have here the files. In files, this is where we can input the projects, items, suppliers, and drivers information. And if we want to perform inventory of items from our warehouse, we will use inventory. In inventory also, this is where we can view out-of-stock items and history of items in and out quantity. Next we have is the transfer. This is where we transact or transfer all our materials we have from our warehouse and transfer it to the site. In the refuel feature, this is where we transact the in-house refuel if you have your own fuel depot. If you rent vehicles or heavy equipment to be used in the project, we will transact it in rentals. If you have a monthly aftercare of your vehicles and heavy equipment, we will use maintenance feature. If you have a customer that wants to buy some of your materials, we will transact it in sales feature. Next we have is the billing. This is where we can give the billing progress to our customers. In receivables also, this is where we can monitor our customers' balances and input customers' payments. If you want to know the suppliers who offers the best price of our materials, we will use canvassing. Once we've finished the canvas and we wanted to formalize the order, we will use purchasing. This is where we can input materials ordered to our suppliers or load the items we canvassed. Once the material arrived, we will use receiving. This is where we can input the materials received from our suppliers. If we purchase our items to the suppliers as charge, the total amount will be displayed in payables. This is where we can monitor our suppliers' balances and input suppliers' payments. If we want to input our utilities, salaries, and other operational expenses, we will use expenses. In expenses also, this is where we can view scheduled expenses and expenses reports. If the materials are damaged and transferred to the warehouse from the site, we will use stock adjustments. In this feature also, this is where we can view the adjustment records and reports. If we want to input bank accounts to integrate banking to our business operations, we will use a cash flow. It will also monitor the in and out of cash in daily or monthly basis. If you want to check your reports per project, you can check it in reports. If we want to create user accounts and access rights to our staff or secretary, we will use users. Lastly, if we want to input our company information and create backup, we will use config. And yes, we're done. I hope you have now a working overview of our software system works. See you in the next episode. This is Fritzy saying, at Mariosoft, we empower every entrepreneur to achieve more.